Hi, it's Kara Rice with Swift Bunny. I just saw a Facebook post from a friend of mine. She's a multifamily leader who supports a team and communities in multiple states. Usually her Facebook posts are full of sunny smiles and good times, but this one was different. It was a selfie she shot at the airport, looking totally exhausted. And here's what she wrote. Super long week, super short-staffed, super tired. COVID sucks. Can you relate? So Jen Picotti and I will be talking about the strain that being short-staffed is putting on multifamily teams in our next webinar on February 17th at 12 noon Eastern. Our topic is on-site risk report, and we'll address what you can do to fill those vacant positions and to safeguard your team from additional quits, because I think we could all use some staffing stability right now. The registration link is in the post. I really hope to see you there. Hang in there.